Hey, a few weeks ago, a Model 3 Tesla hit my car. Now, it was not a major accident or anything. What happened was, I was stopped at a red light, and a Tesla Model 3 was also stopped at the light in front of me. The red car is the Tesla, and the silver car is my car. While waiting for the green light, I noticed the Tesla in front of me started rolling backwards towards me. I expected the Tesla to stop, but it didn't, and it hit me. Now, it did not appear that the Tesla hit me intentionally by accelerating into me. It just slowly rolled backwards, hitting me. Now, I have to mention that the street we were on has an incline to it, going uphill. So if the Tesla was in neutral, it would most likely roll backwards, hitting me. After the small collision, we both pulled over, and the driver of the Tesla admitted the car was rolling backwards, hitting me, but said the brakes were depressed the entire time. Now, I'm not sure if this was entirely truthful. Luckily, no one was injured and there was no damage to either vehicle, and we exchanged information just in case. Now, the interesting thing was, the owner of the Tesla said, "I had just got the car a couple of days ago." Now, this leads me to believe that it was probably user error. I also did some research and found that Tesla has a feature called creep mode, and it allows the vehicle to creep at idle speed just like gas-powered cars, and it could creep forward or backwards, depending on the slope of the road, I guess. The creep speed is about 3 miles per hour. Now, I'm wondering if creep mode had anything to do with this accident. Now, I believe the driver of the Tesla was still learning how to put the car into the different drive settings, and eventually put it into neutral, and allowed the vehicle to roll or creep backwards, not knowing I was there. I don't believe anything was wrong with the Tesla. It was negligence on the driver. That's what I think. Let me know in the comments what you think could have happened. Thanks for listening to my Tesla story, and have a great day.